Hey everybody, welcome back. I went down to the desert a few days at a time, like 3 or 4 days, back and forth, in and out. And I found some very interesting things. So this tumbleweed comes rolling through. I'm going to show you what I did with that. It was very interesting. And we needed a box and it just came rolling in. You got to see this. But right now it's very hot. And we've got our generator running, the 5500 watt O&N generator. And I've got both AC units running. That's about a 60% load and expect to get up 105. It feels good to me because I like the heat. I want to put this video up. It's just a collection of things that kind of took place during the last week. I've been taking some days off and trying to repair that awning on Cindy's unit. We've had 5 dust devils come through, right through between both rigs. And that's why I'm going to start calling this my dust devil campsite. 5 dust devils, and one of them, the major one, the big one, tore her awning off of her RV. I'm in the process trying to fix that. It bent one of the rods, and I took the rod to a welder up here that's by KB Tools, and I asked him if he would weld it for me, and he said he would. I said, what would you charge me? And he said $50. I had 2 $20 bills. That's all I had. And I said, well, would you do it for 40? It's all I've got. And he gave me the rod back and told me to get out of there. That's the only rude person I've ever come across here in Quartzsite. I'm gonna pan around here and you'll see there's not a cloud in the sky. I mean, not a cloud, y'all, look. Not one, but I love it. You can run these generators as long as you shut it down long enough to change the oil, to do your maintenance on it. You can run that generator for years, 24 hours a day. Now, they've got some tent campers over here, but a lot of people have already pulled stakes and head for the hills. Yeah, at the end, Santa's gonna do some cooking for us. Don't forget to subscribe. You know, I might ask you to do that. So, you know, I don't hear more about it now. Tumbleweed came rolling up into our camp, a Russian thistle. I thought I'd tie him up with this string here. Maybe he'd go airborne, but he's struggling to get away. You know, they can spread over 250,000 seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and cut him loose and meet his purpose. That tumbleweed kind of reminds me of life. You know, we kind of roll in and then we roll out, spread a few seeds. That's about, I guess, 10, 15 miles, something like that. I'm on my way back and I discovered something over here. So let's go see what I'm talking about. Spud with me. That it is from here. From here I can see pretty well. It's a cemetery. and we need a box that size. Look at this. The wind is blowing it right to us.
It was way over there. Still pretty cool. Might be big enough to deck it in, you know. It doesn't have to close up. Pretty cool. That box came from all the way over there. You never know.
Well, these dust devils popped up. This is the fourth one. They just come out of nowhere. And look what it did to our awning, to Cindy's awning. I mean, it did a job on it. We're going to see if we can get what we can do about this, but it broke that part and that part, and it just, oh, it's a brand new unit too. But I can fix this. I can fix all this. We'll fix it. Tea break, thank you. I found something. Someone has made a map of the United States here. Even the Great Lakes are represented. All the states are represented here. Somebody took a lot of time to do this. And look at this, they got California here. They even got Hawaii represented and Alaska. That's pretty good. British Columbia and parts of Canada up there, Ontario and so forth. And look, here's Oregon, Washington, and Nevada. There we are. And of course, we are right here in Arizona. Very, very well done, Texas. Pretty much to scale too. That's pretty neat. This is artwork. And when the wind dies down, Cindy fires up the grill.
I think that'll do.